cars are so much faster, it is a cheering return to racing for France and for Bugatti.
Bugatti Automobiles, Mr. Stephan Winkelmann.
Bonjour, bonjour mesdames, messieurs et bienvenue chez Bugatti. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Geneva and welcome to Bugatti. This year we celebrate our 110th anniversary, and we have seen glorious times in the past, but also surpassed challenges. And this is what made us who we are today. It's a privilege on one hand side, but it's also a responsibility for our future. And in fact, on our today's cars, we have the best elements of the most iconic cars of our past, like high performance and easiness to drive, luxury and comfort, elegance and design. And if we speak about design for Bugatti, then we have to speak about Jean Bugatti, who is the firstborn son of Ettore Bugatti. He had some good ideas and he was ahead of his time. He was very good in proportions and aerodynamics. And in fact, he was the designer of the Bugatti Atlantique, a beauty and a true legend also today, and a source of inspiration also for us as Bugatti. But before I continue, please have a look at this video.
I had so much still to live for, so much still to do. When I think back over all the cars we built, all the cars I have drawn, all the cars I have driven, for me, the greatest will always be the Atlantic. We only built 4 of these beautiful cars. The first belonged to Victor Rothschild, the second to Jacques Holschuh, and the third to Richard Pope. But I remember the 4th most of all, a masterpiece of sophistication and elegance, a breathtaking black sculpture created in aluminium, outstanding in every detail. I was so impressed by the gracefulness of this car that I kept it as my personal Atlantic, La Voiture Noire. There was so much left to do, but I never had the chance. In 1940, history took over. To snatch it from the jaws of war, my Atlantic was sent from Molsheim to Bordeaux. It never arrived and was never seen again. It lives on in myth as Bugatti's automotive amber room and still inspires people all over the world. I wish I could create another car like it, inspired by today's technologies, and build the ultimate graceful GT for today's world.
Mesdames, Messieurs, La Voiture Noire. Achim Anscheid, our director of design, and Etienne Salome, the one who designed this wonderful car. Very well done, gentlemen. Thank you very much. La Voiture Noire is more than the celebration of our 110th anniversary, and it's also more than a modern interpretation of the Bugatti Atlantique. The Voiture Noire is a beauty on its own. It's a car which we love from the first sight, and we call it the ultimate Gran Turismo. It has a beautiful and powerful engine, 8-liter capacity, 16-cylinder, and 1,500 horsepower. And if we look at the design, it's from stunning proportions. It's elegant and puristic at the same time. And if you look at the bodywork, there's not one line too many. And we also have all the design elements which are making a Bugatti immediately recognizable. We have the horseshoe in the front, we have the Bugatti line on the sides, and we have the center line, which for the first time was done by Jean Bugatti exactly on the Bugatti Atlantique. La Voiture Noire is a one-of-one. It's automotive haute couture at its best, and for us it's the pinnacle of our product portfolio. And when we first presented the car, it was immediately sold for a price of 16.7 million euro. But ladies and gentlemen, we don't have only La Voiture Noire here on the stand. We have on my right-hand side, we have the Bugatti Divo, which had the world premiere last year in Pebble Beach. Also here, the 30 units we wanted to, or we will produce, are immediately sold out for a sticker price of 5 million euro each. And then we have another world premiere here on my left-hand side, which is to celebrate the 110th anniversary. It's the Chiron Sport 110 ans Bugatti. We are going to build the car only 20 times. And to underline, let's say, our French heritage, we have tricolores on the outside and the interior. And we also created a special color we call matte steel blue. All the 20 units, luckily, are already sold, and this is very good news for us in Bugatti. But this year, the 110th anniversary, is not only to celebrate products, it's also to celebrate the community and the family atmosphere in Bugatti. So we will create a lot of events and happenings around the world, not only for our customers, but also for the Bugatti enthusiasts. And meanwhile, we will continue to work hard on the future of this company and the brand. Thank you very much. Merci, and vive la marque. And now I would like to invite on stage my team for the photo session. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a world premiere. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire. The Bugatti executives will now be available for photos.